Good day, everyone. I'm Yuvarani Sarvanasamy from SJKT Tamantun Amina. I'm delighted to be here and to be given this opportunity to present. Based on my observation, I found that their level of proficiency was low due to the language barrier and mistakes they made throughout the teaching and learning process. Obviously, it could not be denied the lack of English language proficiency is one of the causes of writing difficulties among English learners. Pupils begin their sentences with either "they have" or "there has". For example, pupils write "there have many activities" instead of "there are many activities". This mistake can be commonly found. Therefore, I ask myself the WH questions to outline the general view. When I reflected, I found that interference of native language, lack of exposure to English language due to the local setting where most of them use Tamil as a means of communication, and poor socio-economic setting caused the low proficiency in writing. My objectives are to use TITA technique to help to improve pupils' writing, simple present, and to promote pupils' interest in learning English. My target group is 20 pupils of 5th level. There are 6 girls and 14 boys. All of them have low proficiency in English, especially in writing. I adapted the action research model of chemist and McTaggart. It involves 4 stages: plan, act, observe, reflect. I observe and identify my pupils' problem in writing through diagnostic quiz. I plan TITA as a strategy to improve my pupils' writing. The implementation took 3 times for 3 weeks. I distributed worksheets to the pupils to monitor their progress in learning writing. All the data were collected and tabulated. I reflect on my strengths and weaknesses in the teaching practice at the end of my lesson. I also used WARC model by Neil D. Fleming and Colin Emelis, which involves visual, auditory, reading and writing, and kinesthetic. Therefore, I innovated TITA technique. Pupils were able to remember T as there is and Ta as there are and know how to use them in the right context. I planned TITA technique and picture wheel, acted, observed, and reflected. Then I repeated the whole process again and again till the students mastered the TITA technique and improved their writing skills. I also did intervention in my teaching and learning process. Visual scaffolding is one of the strategies utilized in this study. The pupils incredibly advantage from the sort of platform that creates extensive use of visual help because it plays a critical part to supply the input and information to them. Therefore, I used visual scaffolding to ease the pupils' learning. The materials are recycled cardboard and pictures. It's cheap, easy, and can be modified. It's completely cost effective. It shows the tabulated data and graph of the 20 pupils. Pupils showed improvement in constructing simple present tense using TITA method. The progress was observed through quizzes. Pupils exhibited increased participation, passionate involvement, and increased interest in learning English. In conclusion, the cooperation of TITA technique and picture wheel is a great success as the students volunteered and grabbed the opportunity to play and write sentences on the board.
My name is Joshua. I am 11 years old. I learned Theta method. T is there is. Ta